this time naman po, Mommy and Daddy, higayin po natin si Bella sa pag-blow ng kanyang candle. With a count of 3, 2, 1. Now, Bella, may you blow your candle. Ayan yung tinanggal na. Yay! Syempre, this time naman po, Mommy and Daddy, gusto po namin marinig ang ano nga ba ang message niyo para kay Bella. Ay, ba't may kiss? Hindi naman po ang wedding. Ayan. Birthday po daw, may kiss. Syempre, si Daddy na naman. Oh, bahala kayo mag-isip dyan. Labas ako dyan.
I just want to share a few words. Thank you.
No, sir. Dapat yung wish.
Dapat siya naman kasi ako na sa opening. Anyway, as a father, I know some of you know me very well. So, I'm sure you know that I may not see her every day. Life sometimes is pulls